Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage privacy settings. In the beginning let's go to settings and now go to users and accounts. Go to privacy. And here you can view and customize your privacy settings. For example, you can change mode for who can see them in search results, who can see them within games, who can see them as friend suggestion, who can see them in your close friends list, and them in this case is your real name and profile picture. Also, you can adjust privacy settings by choosing profile. Next, you can control how your data is collected and used. You can select data you provide between full and limited, and you can adjust personalization. In the end, you can check voice data collection settings. You can enable or disable it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.